I'm getting ready for my friend to come and visit today. But first, let's open some Advents. Hi everyone, my name is Diane and
Alice, Soxy Nan Alice.
My friend Alice came for a visit. Today is December the 21st.
Happy almost Christmas.
Are you ready?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
I just have a few things to wrap up.
Actually, I can't say that. I don't have to wrap anything.
Are you a gift bag thrower in
Nope,
there?
I'm a cash. Cold hard cash.
I do a lot of that too. So Alice came for a visit and I thought I would introduce you on screen. Many of you may know who she is because she has her own YouTube channel called Soxy Nana Alice. How long have you had your channel?
It'll be 3 years coming up.
Wow.
Yeah, in January is my podiversary.
In fact, Alice is the person who technically inspired me to start my channel. I was on her channel opening a Mary Maxim mystery bag, and we're not going to talk about that.
Oh, we had fun though. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah, and then I knew she had a channel, but I started binge watching her channel. I'm one of those people that goes to episode 1 and goes all the way through.
You could link that channel, that episode under your.
I will, yes, and I'm going to link her name as well. So, and then I gave her a little gifty gift last week or something, and so that's on her channel as well. So.
Yep. Yeah, so check that
So
out.
let's just tell our friends how we met, and then
Sure, we met on the bus
we met
on
on
the
the
way to
the
work.
transit bus. We
On the
did talk
transit
about it
bus.
on your channel.
On my channel.
For
Yeah.
any of the viewers that
Yeah.
are new or returning, hi. We'll just go over it again. In fact, we live in the same city, or we actually.
You live in the country now. I live in the city, but it's only like 20 minutes away.
Yes, but
Yeah.
Hubs used to live 3 doors down from her.
Yeah.
But I didn't know her then.
No. And I used to get on the bus and I used to wait and I used to go, oh, I wonder if that knitting girl is going to get on the bus again. And she'd get on the bus and then I had to talk to her and ask her what she was knitting. And she started telling me all about her hats and her scarves and mitts that she was selling at markets. And I thought, oh, I could sit on the bus and knit because it was a good, fairly long bus ride. And on the way home, for sure, from work, it was a long bus ride, and so I started bringing knitting on board too, and then we just hit it off from there.
Yeah. And then you find out that you live pretty much in the same area and stuff. So
walking distance.
That was that.
Yeah.
So that's kind of cool. That's how we met and how we kind of became friends. And when you're a knitter and you meet another knitter, or if you're a crafter and you meet someone who does a similar craft as you kind of have that instant bond a lot of times, right?
Always something to talk about because nobody else wants to listen.
And you're really inspiring me to make things that I haven't made, because I've been making things and I've just been I don't know, is it called a process knitter when you're knitting for
project knitter? You're a project knitter.
Okay, because I've been making for markets, so I just make mittens, and I don't really think about what I'm making. And now you've helped me so much with my sweater. I am going to make a pair of socks.
Good.
Begrudgedly.
No.
In 2024.
We're going to find you a nice pattern. You're going to enjoy it. I'm a socksy-nana. Yeah, sockaholic.
Yeah.
Socksy-nana. Yeah. But I brought you a gift today. What? Yes, I did. I did. Here, you thought it was my knitting, didn't you?
The bag for me. Oh,
the bag's for you, and there's some stuff.
I don't have a lot of project bags.
Well, now you've got it. That's a regular kind.
This is like buffalo plaid. Is that what it's
called? Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I feel very spoiled this year as it is. What should I open?
Start with the heavy one. This actually could be used as a shoe bag too. That's how it
feels like a book.
It feels like a book.
Knit socks. No way.
If you watch my channel, you know that I like to repurpose things. So this is an old book that I found in the thrift store, and it's kind of cool. It's got some really nice patterns, sock patterns in it.
Thank you. Yeah. You know what? I know.
And it was funny. I thought it was kind of funny. It looks like a sock.
It looks exactly like a sock. I am very much a paper person. Like I like to have my patterns on paper or in books, where you use your tablet a lot.
Yeah, I use Knit Companion.
I should get a new tablet. Santa, if you're listening, new tablet.
Oh boy, you've got a list.
Oh gosh, I don't need anything.
I still am going to come over and teach you how to make a Swift out of coat hangers.
Oh yeah. Well, I think I might break down and get a Swift because I deserve it. Thank you. That is perfect.
Yeah.
You're so sweet. Oh my gosh. Did you make this?
Yes, I made you something. If you watch my channel, no, it doesn't. No, I'll make you a wired one though if you want.
I don't have any beautiful.
It's a Christmas one.
Christmas or any project bags, and it's funny because I was like, "What's with people and all their project bags?" And now I know knitting a nice sweater.
Yeah, you want to put it in something.
Put it on the table. I'm thinking, no, I don't have pets, but I should put it away so it doesn't get snagged.
Yep.
And now I'm thinking I need project bags. So
and you'll end up with a project bag, and it's kind of nice to plan it with a project bag. Now these again repurposed
rolled cuff
slippers. I thought if you really didn't want to knit.
They're felted?
Yeah, they're felted.
Because I have a whole bunch of wool. This is another thing. I want to knit through my stash.
Superwash, non-superwash wool, right? So that you can felt them.
The Patton's classic merino wool, like the 100% wool. I have a ton of it.
Well, there you go. And then you could just knit shorties, felt them, and make everybody.
Ooh, alpiner hat.
Well, I figured because you were. I was watching your channel. I was thinking about your channel, and you're out there in the snow, you know.
These are so cute. Thank you so
That
much.
I thought would be cute for your markets.
Yeah.
Just little selfish knitting things. I don't remember what the last one was. Oh, yes.
Ooh, Greek
Yes.
jelly
Sweater.
sweater. Thank
I thought that was a
you.
cute little summer sweater because it's a short sleeve. Just throw it on to do your gardening in.
2023 was the collecting of yarn. 2024
Or
is the collecting of patterns.
Okay, there you
I
go.
have like way too many things to collect. Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Did you make this as well?
No. This was made by Homer, Hippo and Homer.
I can't read that. Cute little.
Yeah.
And a whole bunch of goodies. And look at you. Oh, thank you.
Okay, reusing. Now it's pill storage, but this is where you put your little stitch markers. So you can use anything for notions, right? A little stitch marker. And
I want it to be Christmas every day.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna be so sad.
Well, that's what Advent is. Yeah, I know. That's what YARNvent is.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, barber cord.
I need.
There's one really long one and one really short one, and a little short one. If you pull out the pink one.
Valorie on Visits with Nana
and Papa. Yeah, there's some cool ways.
I watched her episode. I'm like, why didn't I watch this before I split my sleeves? Because I'm learning all these techniques that I haven't really had to use. So the long one, do you think that's enough for 2 sleeves? Or
oh yeah, I think it's cut in half. I think there's 2. Grab the pink one. You keep going if there's anything else in there. I don't know. I don't remember. Oh, okay. I'm gonna show you those too.
I know you've used these before for things. Do you put your needles in them?
I use them. You can use them as needle stoppers.
These are kind of little things that I've seen on people's sweatshirts and stuff. That kind of
2 sleeves.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
I need that.
Now grab your stopper. So you put it on you put your sleeve on here, and then
see, she knows all the tips.
You put these through here.
Oh my gosh, fantastic!
There you go. Now you really won't lose your sleeve stitches.
Wow.
Okay. And again, this is a reusable thing because if you have a sweatshirt or any kind of a coat or something and you're getting rid of it, you can always use that. And a tape measure. You can never have too many tape measures.
Thank you.
Now I'm going to show you this one. Use a little piece of barber cord or pony bead cord, I call it, because that's how I got it from Michael's. You can just go like this. Because I don't have needle stoppers. Because I noticed they don't really sell them at Wolseley Wool. So, yeah.
Valerie used it somehow to pick up a drop stitch. I mean, I saved that video.
She put them on and then pulled it back only as far as the drop stitch.
Yeah.
And then she fixed the stitch with the needles. Mm-hmm. But I usually just put a pin. Some people forget about the pin and then they keep going but yeah, she uses it to pick up drop stitches. But I use them too for these because then you don't lose the stitches.
I love it all.
And it's a Nomi bag. It's all about the gnomes at Christmas.
Oh, my cousin collects gnomes. Thank you so much. And then I
have
the rest of it bag.
You got 2 bags. There you go. Merry Christmas. Oh, go watch the mics.
Oh, yeah.
Now, did I lose some more cord?
We're going to keep chit-chatting.
Yes.
I want to keep these videos relatively short because there's so much vlogmas going on. Where's my
Good morning, beautiful. I love this mug.
Here's a coffee mug the size of my head.
Cheers.
Because that's what we do.
Cheers, clink.
You know you have a good friend when they weave in your ends on your sweater. Thank you, Alice.
Are we rocking?
We're on.
Okay.
We're going to edit.
Okay, we'll edit.
Okay.
Take care, sweetie.
Well,
you too.
Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Knit with love. Bye.
If only for a moment we can make the darkness cease. For Christmas, I just want a little peace.